Hello and welcome to online user training for the Enterprise Vault.cloud service. In today's training, we'll discover how to log in to the Personal.cloud system. There are two prerequisites to complete today's training. The first prerequisite will require that you have access to one of our supported browsers. A list of our supported browsers can be found on the Veritas.com webpage by going to Customer Center and then going to Support. The second requirement is that you'll have access to the Personal.cloud service itself. Now, this is established by your organization's Enterprise Vault.cloud administrator and is not something that you can set up through this training. It's important to note that there are three separate and distinct Enterprise Vault.cloud data centers that have three separate and distinct Personal.cloud URLs. Those URLs are personal.us.archive.veritas.com, personal.eu.archive.veritas.com, and personal.ap.archive.veritas.com. If you're unsure if you have access to the system or which data center your organization uses, please reach out to your Enterprise Vault.cloud system administrator inside of your organization. Okay, so to start the sign-in process, I will first go to the Personal.cloud site where my organization's data is archived. In this case, my data is archived in the United States, so I'll go to personal.us.archive.veritas.com. Once I get to personal.us.archive.veritas.com, this is what I'll see. It's important to note that this screen right here in the middle is exactly what you'll see whether you're signing into the US, European, or Australian data centers. You'll notice a few aspects on the screen, and first and most notably is the username and password fields. Like other web tools you've used, this is where you'll enter in your username and password. For your username, it's important to note that this is your primary email address, likely the email address that you use on a day-to-day basis. For the password, this is a password that was previously established in Personal.cloud. If you don't know this password or if you just forget, that's okay. You can click on the Forgot Password link below to retrieve a temporary password. For today, I remember my username, and that's my primary email address. And I remember my password. From there, I'll simply click the Login button. The first time you sign in to Personal.cloud, it might take just a little bit longer than it will in future logins. You'll see a message on your screen that will say as much. But once I do successfully log in to Personal.cloud, this is what I'll see. We'll have additional trainings discussing various topics within Personal.cloud. Please remember that you can always access our help section by clicking on the question mark in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and for those that are new to the Personal.cloud system, welcome to Enterprise Vault.cloud.